Welcome back. Let's explain why these dot structures are incorrect. Alright, so I enlarged the image, and if you look at the carbon on the left, it has 1, 2, 3 pairs of electrons, so it has 6 valence electrons. It needs 2 more. We can take a lone pair from the nitrogen and make another bonding pair out of that, give it a triple bond. So that's going to look like this. And there's your Lewis structure for the cyanide ion, and this is a linear molecule. Now on the B, the fluorine on the right has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 valence electrons, and fluorine is not allowed to have more than 8. Phosphorus, however, can have more than 8, being having access to d orbital. So let's put one of those back on the phosphorus, and that will look like this. And that shape, molecular shape, will be trigonal pyramidal or trigonal pyramidal. It's a triangular base that extends upward to the lone pairs. If we were to draw that, if you were to draw that three-dimensionally or line dash wedge, you would get a little less than 109 degrees because of that extra repulsion from the lone pairs.